Welcome to our educational news. My name is Raif. Today, we will meet Miss Isha Al-Mazrui, an IT teacher in United Arab Emirates and a learner at HBMSU. She currently completes her Master of Science in Interactive Educational Technologies. Welcome, Miss Isha.
Nice to meet you, my dear Rahab. I want to thank you for giving me the chance to talk about mobile learning in your program.
I need to highlight on two topics on mobile learning. I have only two questions for you. The first question is, what do you consider to be important instructional design principles and pedagogies for teaching and learning with mobile technology?
In this digital age, people have an ubiquitous access to the fast resources via their mobile devices. These kind of technologies has been leveraged and utilized to support learning and teaching, formally or informally. This type refers to the mobile learning. Actually, mobile learning facilitates learning and teaching through a great deal with innovation, collaboration, research and design. Mobile empowers people to augment their performance in different sectors. Based on that, I see that considering the value of universal instructional design principles for the purpose of applying mobile learning is very important. Universal instructional design principles have been developed to build flexibility and personal learning environment targeting both the instructional design and operating systems of educational materials. UID provides instructional designers a set of principles which guide them in designing a course that can be delivered, adopted, and reach a wide range of learners through mobile devices. The 8 UID principles are equitable use, flexible use, simple and intuitive, perceptible information, tolerance for error, low physical and technical effort, community of learner and support, and instructional climate. For equitable use, the learning content should be accessible to people with diverse abilities and in diverse locations. For flexible use, the course design should accommodate a wide range of learner abilities, preferences, schedules, level of connectivity, and choices in methods of use. That means provide them a sense of a flexible learning environment. For simple and intuitive, the design must be friendly, sweet, and easy to use. In principle information, the design communicates necessary information effectively to the user. Tolerance for error reduces learner errors by providing just-in-time scaffolding training when necessary. Community of learner and support use a variety of communication tools and encourage forming a group based on their preference. And the last point is instructional climate focuses on the instructor's impact in course delivery and its role in fostering a comprehensive environment that supports learning through sharing and collaboration. And in addition, when we view the mobile learning from pedagogical perspective, we can view them as environments that support behaviorism to learning, constructivism learning, situated learning, problem-based learning, context awareness learning, social culture theory of learning, collaborative learning, conversational learning, activity theory, natural and lifelong learning. These can be achieved with a proper instructional design when necessary, based on course goals and outcomes.
That was a valued information on implementing a universal instructional design in the education field as the learning is for all. The second question is, what are the opportunities and challenges of mobile learning to those who design online learning or e-learning?
Mobile learning design exposes various opportunities for learning. As I see that it provides an inexpensive mobile learning opportunities in various forms as I mentioned above with formally or informally learning environment. As I believe that mobile learning is a platform for continuous and situated learning support anytime and anywhere. In addition, It empowers users, whether they are instructors or learners, with the multimedia content delivery and creation option with built-in speaker and camera. However, mobile learning design exposes unique challenges such as device variability, whether you have a feature phone, touch phone, or smartphone. It is difficult to build an ideal design that handle and work properly on those three categories of mobile devices. Besides that, platform variability also forms a challenge. Deciding on which programming language to use to develop the course materials that can work on all mobile devices without any problem is another issue. Example on using HTML5 various Flash for Android various iOS platforms. The second challenge is related to the slow download speed and limited internet access. Small screen sizes with poor resolution, color and contrast. Difficult text input on used device. Limited internal memory which can be assisted through supplying external memory, as I think that it takes long time to retrieve data compared with the same process from internal memory.
Thank you, Miss Yisha, to share with us this valuable knowledge on mobile learning, as it is the learning on the go in this digital age. Thank you all for listening to this podcast. Have a nice day.